wake up to be honest.
1, 2, 3.
I can't take my eyes off of you.
Stayed out too late, got bills to pay, but Lord, I'm loving you. I got this black tie feeling, now I'm following you. It's funny how the world is such an ugly place, yet you're right.
So we have woken up very early this morning. It's 6 AM now and we're going to head off to the secret waterfall.
The rain trickles down my face, looking in those eyes, the sweetest eyes I've seen in my whole life. The pleasant vibes you bring me, rich and lovely smiles, fills me with devotion, and my heart bleeds love.
So we're looking for the secret waterfall, but it's clearly a secret because we can't find it. So Dad's just asking a shopkeeper. It's around 7 kilometres from Ella Peace Heaven to the secret waterfall. It's taking us about 20 minutes, not too long. And the shopkeeper's just pointing over there, so we must be near. We're going to park up and then go on foot, I think.
Look at that.
I can hear running water. So we've parked up there because apparently that's where the locals said that most people park. We're heading down here.
God, the car went down here. Wow. You put it on your back, carry it.
Oh, it's great. And here the running water. We must be close to the secret waterfall. It's slippy, isn't it? Can't wait to go for a dip.
Mollie.
Yeah? Is it beautiful? Wow, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the waterfall. And it's beautiful. Oh gosh, look at you already.
My heart bleeds love. 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 The rain runs makeup down my face, looking in those eyes, the cruelest eyes.
That was absolutely beautiful. Now a local is just pointing us in the direction of a deeper pool, so we'll take you with us. Heading down these steps here. Don't wear flip-flops, guys. It's quite a climb, this. I wonder where we're going. Wow! Anyone else coming in? No? Well, look at that. Cool. Would not advise flip-flops though. Make sure you're wearing your trainers coming down here. I mean, the local's barefoot, but I mean, I guess he's used to this kind of terrain. But we slipped a few times. Apparently there's a big plunge pool down here, So I can't wait. Wow.
I don't know how you're going to get down there.
Is it deep? Oh, woohoo! It's not cold at all, guys.
The sorrow that you bring me, rich and beastly lies, fills me with disdain. My heart bleeds out.
We'll definitely be giving this local some money just because we would never have found this place without him. Time for a steep climb back up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
it was
you.
so nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yes.
Ready for breakfast now.
Bye.
Yes.
There you go. Here's English coins.
Oh, sorry. Small paper we have. My daughter. English, my daughter, madam. We are good.
What, English?
Yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
You wanted English coins.
Yeah.
So. Is that what you just did?
Yeah.
English.
Yeah. Did I give him £3? He wants more.
So I've just given him a fiver. So.
My heart bleeds out, my heart bleeds out, my heart bleeds out, my heart bleeds. How could you?
Hello.
Watches the waterfall.
Yeah, true.
You don't have no idea how hard it is. What is this? Is this omelette? Yeah. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Thank you very much. Oh, nice and hot as well. Must have. Oh my god.
You know the at the temple.
Temple, yeah.
Are we allowed to go?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
already.
Oh, yeah. Have you asked?
Yeah.
We can go at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Yeah. Okay. Brilliant.
Whoa.
This is the life. We're going to be heading out to the 9 Arch Bridge now. I think that's around 2 to 3 kilometres away. So we're going to see how that is. My carriage awaits. Actually forgot the GoPro.
You do the same to me. We've been lovers since 16. Life is though not in your path. I think I'll bleed out instead. Bleed out instead. My heart bleeds out. Bleed out instead. My heart bleeds out. My heart bleeds out. My heart bleeds out.
Here we are at the 9 Bridge car park. 400 metres from 9 Arch Bridge. So it's pretty close. It's a bit steep.
Oh, look at that.
Very OTT from our Claire. Very steep though. 10-minute walk apparently from the car park. And there's a little shop there so you get yourself some pop or some water and a snack. Very convenient. All the wasps have been attacking the drone while it's been up in the air. So we've just returned to the car park and it was 100 rupees to park, which is honestly very reasonable. Which is about 20 British pence, so we can't really argue with 20p, can we?
Hello.
Really sad. So, we've taken the plunge. Will you? Until next time.
I can't take my eyes off of you.
Stayed out too late, got bills to pay, but Lord, I'm loving you. I got this black